We made it to 5, guys. Now I need all 5 of these people to do $20 worth of work, because then I can get my $100 worth of food quickly. Let's see if they got it ready.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. No, you good. I was trying to see if I needed both of them. I'm gonna put one back. You got the large order? Look, so I do YouTube, right? And I do DoorDash too. I'm trying to help the other drivers in my area. You get you one of these catering bags right here, call support. You tell them, hey, I want to get in the large order program. You know how much food this is? Look, you want to get orders like this. I sat at home and they sent me this order at home. You been out working?
I just started. This is my first delivery here now.
Call support, tell them, look, tell them you want the large order program. They gonna tell you they don't got no open. They gonna tell you that. Tell them, okay, put me in it. Give me a supervisor. They may tell you no the first time, they may tell you no the second time. Keep doing it and it's worth it, because I'm gonna tell you why. This all about right there. You gotta make sure you helping other drivers in your community. If you a self-content creator, DoorDash driver, shame on you. Let's get this money. Always starting my days off with catering orders like this, because it makes it really easy to be profitable on the day and on the hour when you're getting orders that you know guaranteed you're gonna get at least $15 for those given orders. So take this order, for example, it's a $100 subtotal. It's at least gonna be 15 bucks on this. Now it can go all the way up to sky's the limit, but the thing is, when you're dealing with customers that respect your time, you actually have potential to make great money. But when you're dealing with $3 and $4 customers who on an average tip $2 to $5, you're very, very capped on how much you can make per hour. So let's go ahead and deliver to this nice, respectable customer who ordered this food. We're gonna hand it right to them. All the service they need, all the customer service, all of that. Yes, because they's a great customer. Get my baby clean real quick. She need a wash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We ready to hit the road now. That thing's super clean. Look at it. Yes, sir. Look at that. Bow. Look at that. You ain't never seen a car that clean. Stop playing with me. We got $13.80 for 5 miles right here at Walmart. And we pulling up right now. So I'm finna go ahead and check in and see if they got this thing ready for me, because it was slow over there by the mall for DoorDash. And I ain't the type of guy, I ain't about to wait around. I'm gonna keep these wheels rolling. So if they didn't have no DoorDashes or no Uber, no food deliveries, hey, well, give me a Walmart Spark and I'm gonna keep it moving. So that's exactly what we doing. We here, let's see if they got it ready. I guess I'm in parking spot number 1 today. Know what time it is, baby Yoda back in our house. I'm about to hit that Mooshie Moo, that Megan Rissman. You already know. Throwing the GoPro in the hat. Stop playing with me, bro. Let's get this order delivered. This must be a .com order. So we got an incentive here on Spark. It's a .com incentive. It says here, from Tuesday, December 6th to Monday, December 12th, complete 10 .com trips to earn an extra $50. Say complete 15 trips to earn an additional $55. So if you complete 10, you get 50. Then if you complete 5 more, you get an additional $55, totaling in $105. Now that's worth it. So let's see if we can get us some Walmart Spark orders done today, because that's a nice little incentive right there. I thought they were saying you got to complete 25 in total, but they saying in total you just need 15. So that's like saying even if you get 15 no tip orders, they gonna make sure you get an extra $105. $15.58 right back at the same Walmart I just left. 5.6 miles on this one. So this is great miles to money ratio we getting on these orders. That first one we just dropped off, it wasn't a .com order. And the reason I know that is because I checked the incentive page and nothing changed. It stayed the same. So that lets me know that it's not a .com order. And it was good miles to money ratio. So from what I've heard, .com orders usually have no tip. So that's probably why they got this incentive running for the Walmart Spark .com orders. And I don't really understand what a .com order is, because from my understanding, you know, if you got Walmart Plus and you order and it's out for delivery, it go through Spark. So what is a .com order? Is that a .com order? Or what other kind of orders is there? Let me know in the comments below. But like, what qualifies as a .com order? Do you do .com order? Do you stay away from? Are those your favorite kind of orders? Let me know, because I'm very new to this Walmart Spark, so I need y'all to let me know what's going on. I need y'all help on this one. Come on now, help me out. We here though. We just pulled up. We here. We gonna go ahead and check in and get these groceries. These orders. And Walmart is not playing today with the orders. Brung that thing right out. I'm already leaving. Just got her. I just got her and I'm already leaving, man. They not playing today. I'm coming right back. If I get this one dropped off in the next 10 minutes and I can make it back, that's gonna be 3 Spark orders done in 1 hour. Let's get it. Gas station got $2.99 gas. What the hell? Did y'all see that? That was $2.99 gas. I cannot believe it.
2 hours later.
Look at that. It's nighttime now. We at the tire shop. I had to buy 3 brand new tires. for 500 bucks. I think that was actually a good deal though. You know what I'm saying? That comes with territory. When you do gig work and you out here driving your vehicle to make this money, you're gonna go through tires faster than the average person. So now I'm back on the road now. Time is 6:35. We're gonna see if we can head out at $500. I need to, let's see if we can get some orders. I got DoorDash going over here. Got DoorDash and Spark going there. Well, I got Grubhub and Uber going right here. We're gonna see if we can't make a couple dollars this evening. It's probably gonna dry up about 8:30. A lot of batches on Walmart Spark too. Look at this. There's quite a few batches on there, but the thing is, you gotta realize I'm not trying to do none of those batches. Those is long distance deliveries. It's not gonna drop me off in no area where I can pick up some food, and I'm really trying to make some food money tonight. So once the food stop, I might do some .coms, but not right now. I'm gonna keep, you know, I'm gonna see if I can give me some DoorDash orders going. Ain't nothing shaking right now. I'm about to head to the hot zone. $8.75, 0.7 miles, no peak pay. Might be a good little tip on this order. We here at Godfather's Pizza. I got my pizza bag ready to go. Let's go ahead and slide and get this order picked up. Next order of the day, we got $13.75. This one is a Hy-Vee shop and deliver order. It says $13.75, 4.1 miles, but it's really like directly next to the grocery store. We gonna head in here and see if they even got all 55 of these items. That's a lot of items for a shop. But you know what? It's cool though. They was sending me all trash offers, so I figured, you know what? I might as well just go ahead and do this, knock it out. They might not even have all the items in. The good thing with DoorDash is when you're doing DoorDash shop and deliver orders, you get the full pay even if they don't got all the items. So might as well go ahead and accept it and get it done. Alrighty, so we're gonna hang it up right there, man. Slow day today. Tuesdays are normally pretty slow in my market anyway, so it was to be expected. And you know, with me having to come out of 500 bucks for 3 new tires, it is what it is, you know. You gotta pay to play. You gotta make sure you take care of your vehicle that you use to make your money. And you know what? Slow days ain't that bad, because you gotta have slow days to know what the good days feel like. So, you know, I only made $51.88 today on 4 orders. I usually do about 8-12 orders per day, and today I did 4 orders. So that right there tells you how slow it was. Altogether, total time out on those 4 hours, total time out on those 4 orders, I think I was out for probably about 1 hour and 45 minutes at most. So, you know, 50 bucks in less than 2 hours, I'll take that for a slow day. You know, on my slow day, 25 bucks an hour, that's fine with me. We're gonna go ahead and hang it up there. Make sure you download that Solo app so you can maximize your earnings. You can keep track of all your earnings through all your multiple gig apps, and you get $10 for download and using my link below. Make sure you get that, and make sure you link an active gig account. I'll catch you in the next one.